Pagod na, napagod.
Hoy! 2 beses na yan!
Ug sa karon mga kahulbat sinaw dahano. Magsaba-saba tag dinosaur haha. Ug di rato ng di-marinate at turan ng batangan ug pamintang durog anya oyster sauce, magic lami ug dayon o sa kakilong lemon ug emikos-mikos dayon. Ayaw magkabalap kay hinlo kaayo ng akong kamot.
Okay, sa. Muna ako gapon.
Takban sa nato ng mga kahulbat ug ato sanang i-marinate ug bali o sa katugig. Ug sa dire mga kahulbat ato sa ning henloan atom subahanan kay dagan kayong taay. Ug sa ta magsaba mga kahulbat sayawan sa munako. Ug small rato mga kahulbat. Nahala magsaba na ta, let's go.
Midnight glow on a laptop screen, cramped up room where the dreams convene. Neighbors fingers tap to the beat, others grind every other type like he's rewiring his mind. Small time views but the vision's wide. Comments whisper but he's tuned to the rise. Self-doubt creeps like a shadow at dawn, but ambition's the fire that keeps him drawn.
Late nights turn to early light, chasing dreams through the pixel fight. One more cut, one more line till the world sings to its design. Hustle hard, dreams, yeah, he's paying his dues. Blowing screens in a one-man booth. Roll back up plan, just a straight line run. Every small win is a battle won.
Coffee cold but the focus live. Keyboard clicks like a drummer's drive. He crafts his art from the scraps of doubt, turning maybes to must when the lights go out. Algorithms amaze but he's stacking his bread. Small steps now but his giants ahead. They don't see the grind past the reels he shows, but the hustle's loud when the hunger grows.
Late nights turn to early light, chasing dreams through the pixel fight. One more cut, one more line till the world sings to its design.
Pagod na, napagod.
Hustle hard, dreams, yeah, he's paying his dues. Going screens on a one-man booth. No backup plan, just a straight line run. Every small win is a battle won.
Panya kinahuman na magsagba sa atong dinosaur. Ato na ning hiwa-hiwaon dang kaon-kaon haha.
Another one.
Oy!
Another one.
Ulit!
Para to. Now to me. Okay.
Mga kaungot, may ako.
Yeah.
Di ko alam ang nararamdaman nung wala ka sa isip ko, ika'y mahalaga. Ngunit paano na lang ako
kayo.
Susumama sa